Bullish FTX token, FTT, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $111.99 and $243.89 by 2030. Market experts accept FTT could reach $111.99 by 2025. Bearish FTX token market cost expectation for 2022 is $19.91. FTX token, FTT, presentation. Experts from Money Road and significant tech firms like Google, Facebook, Jane Road, Optiver, and Susquehanna make up the center gathering behind the FTX stage. The engineers of the FTT token, with an abundance of involvement with monetary stock subsidiaries, desire to outperform OKX, the top crypto gauge trade in the blockchain space. Sam Bankman-Fried, SBF, the executive of FTX, Gary Wang, CTO, and Nishd Singh helped to establish the commercial center. The gathering started creating FTX, a trade by dealers, for brokers, in the wake of laying out Alameda Exploration, a digital currency quant exchanging firm and liquidity supplier. SBF accepted the crypto market coming up short on complex exchanging system for multifaceted items. SBF and FTX are both domiciled in Hong Kong, a city that upholds digital money. The liberal pioneer gives 1% of FTX's net exchanging expenses to good cause and previously filled in as a legal administrator at the Middle for Successful Benevolence. SBF is a notable player in the cryptographic money industry with more than 290,000 supporters on Twitter. What is FTX token, FTT? The exchange token for the FTX biological systems is called FTX token, FTT, and it could be utilized as security for prospects' positions, to get discounts on OTC exchanges, to bring down exchanging expenses, and the sky is the limit from there. Collateralized tokens, OTC exchanging, and prospects exchanging are completely presented by the FTX exchanging stage, which tries to turn into the main crypto trade commercial center in the blockchain business. FTX token, FTT, specialized examination. The effect of amount requested on changes in normal cost, turnover, and suggested unpredictability is analyzed utilizing specialized examination devices. It works under the assumption that, when joined with appropriate money management or managing rules, verifiable exchanging movement and cost increments of safety can act as significant indicators of future security costs. It can incredibly upgrade the evaluation of a security's solidarity or shortcoming contrasted with the general market or one of its areas. It is much of the time used to create transient exchanging signals utilizing different diagramming devices. Examiners can refine their general worth gauge by utilizing this data. Marks of digital currency in light of specialized examination. A few line diagrams and outline examples can be utilized to do specialized evaluations of computerized monetary standards. Utilizing the pivotal pointers recorded underneath, anyone with any interest at all in specialized examination can look at the most exorbitant cost, market cap, normal value, the most noteworthy worth, FTX cost estimate, FTX token cost expectations, or some other data connected with the header or cost gauge. Normal directional record. Assign areas of strength for that measures a pattern's power and energy is the typical directional list, ADX. Contingent upon the course of the typical value, the pattern is remembered to have huge directional strength when the ADX is well over 40. FTX token, FTT, key investigation. Financial backers utilize this strategy to decide the fair worth of FTX coins and different coins. The essential objective is to survey a great many inner and outside components to decide whether a coin is overrated or misjudged. Financial backers utilize this data to direct their venture decisions. Prior to managing digital currencies, major examination issues should be fixed. Crucial investigation can assist merchants with choosing how to continue and what monetary theory and double dealing will mean for digital currencies. Key examination components. The accompanying three components are essential to key investigation: impact appraisal, enterprise assessment, forces model. And intensive comprehension of planning, money, and items is vital for a thorough structure like crucial examination. Directing crucial appraisals, for specific, requires figuring out foundational troubles, knowledge of valuation techniques, and the ability to assess monetary information. Furthermore, it habitually makes expectations in view of openly accessible information, such an organization's verifiable benefits and further developed seriousness. FTX token, FTT, current cost. FTX token is as of now worth $24.89. FTT has moved 0.95% as of now with an exchanging volume of $75,104,986. FTX token is at present position 24 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $3,229,698,723. FTX token, FTT, value expectation 2022. FTX token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. FTT. The FTT cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $37.33. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $34.84 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headways. FTT is supposed to have a base worth of $29.86. FTX token, FTT, value forecast 2023. In 2023, FTX token FTT cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of FTT will before long outperform $62.22. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the FTT's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, FTT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $49.77 and a typical exchanging cost of $54.75. FTX token, FTT, value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $87.10 and FTT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. FTT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $79.64 and a low of $74.66 in 2024. FTX token, FTT, value expectation 2025. Assuming FTX token effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados,